All them good flavors. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today on this gloomy, stormy night, we're going to make some Mexican omelets. Ooh, I love it. Got some really good ingredients. We got some Chihuahua cheese, eggs, veggies, tomato, some spicy chorizo. Oh, let's just get going on some veggies. What do you say? All right, so we got some oil down right here. So let's just throw these right down. Buddy. Now this is a quarter cup of jalapeno, red pepper, and onion. That's white onion. And then, just to make sure I get some nice spice, I got a Serrano pepper I'm going to get going over there. Yeah, buddy. You can smell it. Alright, get it out. Alright, so while this stuff's going, let's get the chorizo going. Now I'm just going to use a little bit. Oh, I got it all messed up. Alright, so we're just using a little bit of this chorizo right here. Yeah, messed it all up. Here we go. What? Pork chorizo. It is pork chorizo. It is spicy pork chorizo. This is how we like it. I'm just going to get one going for now. And then I'm going to make the families later. But, yeah, let's just get this stuff turned up. This stuff cooks up real fast. Alright, let's just let that sit and go. That's going good. Serrano, we're looking good. Alright, so the chorizo is just about done. Now I got these two burners are off. These two are on high over here. So I like to just throw a paper towel over here. Get some of this grease out because it is greasy. When you buy the good stuff, it's not nearly as greasy as the stuff that's in the package. But that's what we got. So let's just let that finish up. It's just about there. These veggies. Ooh, buddy, we're starting to get a nice sear on those. Alright, how we doing on this jalapeno? I want to touch that now. Oh, baby, we're so... Ooh, this is going to be good. Alright, chorizo is done. Just going to plop it right on here. Let's get some of that grease out of there. And then I'm going to add it to the veggies so it can all cook up together. Yes, sir. Alright, the chorizo was nice and dried out. You see how much grease we got out of that? And that was not very much chorizo either. So I'm just going to plop that right down into there. This is going to be garbage. Chew over there. Now I'm going to add some tomatoes to it too. I do want a little sear on those as well. We're going to cook this up together. And actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn these burners off. Because the griddle's nice and warm. I had it at 350 when I started. So we're looking good. Look at all this. Let that go on itself. Boom. Now, let's do some eggs. Alright, we got some oil and butter down right here. And right here we got 3 eggs, nice and scrambled. I got some milk and baking soda in there. The griddle's a little hotter than I would like. That's okay. We're just going to keep turning this around, try and keep it in a circle. Alright, so this stuff's starting to go. What I'm going to do is get these veggies in here. That'll help warm this thing up a little bit. Alright, we're going to add a little cheese to this as well. This is a Mexican 3 cheese. It's got Chihuahua cheese and cottage cheese, and I have no idea how to pronounce that other one. Not even going to try. So we're going to add some of that in there. I'm not going to add too much because I'm going to add a little more at the end. So boom, let's let these eggs set up a little bit. Ooh, man, look at that Serrano. Man, that is going to be delicious. All right, we're going to give this omelet a flip. Whew, man, it's sliding around all crazy. There we go. All right, there we go. Now, let's throw a little more cheese on there. Little bit of that. We're gonna throw some cilantro on here too. Ooh, just get it on there. Boom. Let it go. Now we're gonna dome it up. Let it finish. All right. Let's dive in. Man, this looks good. And this Serrano is gonna be amazing. I know that. Whew, buddy. Got some nice weight to it. Oh, man. All the smells. Baby. Let's cut it up first. Let's cut it in half. Check it out. All them good flavors. All right. Let's get a bite. Man, my mouth is watering so bad right now. This looks so good. Ooh. We got everything in this bite. Amazing. The jalapeno, those veggies, nice. Got a little crunch to them, but they're cooked real good. That chorizo, it's got a little bit of spice, but not a lot. I want to get another bite right here and get some of that Serrano. That's what's up. That cheese, that cilantro on there, everything. There's nothing bad about this right now. Ooh. About to just cut this stuff up. About to dive in. But appreciate you guys coming along. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. What were you